A lot of people have been wondering where we are. If you haven't been following us on Instagram where we gave a bit of an update, just know that we're coming back, working. We have some nice little dishes that we've been working on in the kitchen to share with you again. We had to take a little bit of a break for some
Angela was very busy.
I was very busy. But the duo is back.
And me trying to cheese cooking and I'm trying to kick.
I mean, I'm kicking.
You're young, I'm all I can hardly put my foot.
Oh, that's what you mean. Oh, okay. Happy Good Friday. I am on my way out of the house. And I am going to be going up to my parents. It's the annual Good Friday. Relax with the parents and the rest of the family. Eat traditional fried fish and hardo bread and Easter bun and cheese. And so I am a little bit under the weather, but I'm getting better. But I also wanted to show you what I did. So I actually decided that I was going to make my own bun, but I'm going to show you what I did. Ta-da! I made Easter bun with my bread machine. This is a recipe that's my mother's recipe, and I've used it before, and it's super easy. The recipe's on the website, and I'm going to cut it and show you what it looks like and how it's a little bit different from Easter bun when you make it by hand, but it's still delicious and it's so easy. So here it is. I've cut it. Now, obviously, it's not as dense. Give me a piece. But it's really moist, and it's a little bit more like bread, but I don't care. It tastes delicious. So, heading up to my mom and dad's, and we're going to eat lots of bun and cheese and fried fish and hardo bread, and I've saved my appetite, so I'm hungry. Because I'm saving room for all of that food on Good Friday. And so join us, and we'll see you soon. Happy Good Friday.
Happy Easter season to you. Good Friday, Easter Monday. I'm winding down. This is the last bit of cooking again until Monday for me.
That's exactly right.
I got all kind of food here, and that's enough.
And let's see what you have. Show us what you have.
Well, I have the fish over there and the bun.
I can smell it.
And I'm doing up the mackerel now.
Oh, you're making mackerel?
And banana.
Nice.
So that you guys can eat, and tomorrow I'll eat, and Sunday because, you know why?
Why?
This is my last year of doing all this work.
That's what she keeps saying, but that's not happening. It's not happening.
No, as the year go on and you realize how you feel as you go along.
Well, you know what, Mom? When you speak that, you speak it into reality. So if you want to...
It's not only what she wants, it's what we want too.
Exactly. Please say it for me, girl.
What do you mean?
We want your cooking.
Yeah, one thing is cooking. I have to run down and look for fish all over the place.
Well, then we'll support that. We'll figure it out. I'll be retired next year.
That's so good. You'll be frying up a storm.
Maybe.
You ain't retired, no.
No, I'll bring it.
No, you're fine. You're not frying. Find somebody to order it. No, it won't be like mine.
Well,
I can assure you.
She's just talking. Because next year, we're going to be right here.
Yeah, you'll be here, but I've been watching you all. That's my last opera.
Opera. All right.
Oh, dear God. Life is good.
Yes, it's a blessing, no?
Yeah, how can I be happy with all these beautiful children?
Exactly.
They are wonderful, and they give me hell when they get together, but they're still good.
Geraldo's in the background making noise.
I don't want to hear anything about her. I get nervous.
Dad, you gonna try to do the taste test for the bun? My bun? My bun versus one of Mom's buns.
Sure.
Yeah? Alright. Let's see.
Amateur versus professional.
Listen, you
As
can
a-
try it. I used your recipe.
How is it, Pat?
The bun?
Yeah.
Well, it's not bad.
Yeah.
It almost tastes like nicely.
HTB.
No, HTB doesn't taste as good as this. I'm sorry.
It's eatable.
It's nice, right?
It's not bad. It's not bad. I'll give it down too, but you know, it's not fair because it's in competition with the best.
Alright.
And I'm telling you, if you had a piece of this batch, and I had a piece last night and it was good.
I'm gonna try it too, of course. But listen, you put some cheese on this, you can't tell the difference.
You're wishing this bun is something else.
So, looks like the mackerel is ready. Oh, it's delicious. And Mom also made green banana, boiled green bananas. Just taking it out of the skin. Are you hungry, Dad?
Yes, I'm going to have a sample of the banana and mackerel.
Alright. Mackerel. This is going to be good. I haven't had this in a long time. Daddy, looking forward to this?
I am. I am.
Well, happy Good Friday.
Thank you, and the same to you.
How's the fish, Horace?
This is great. Especially the mackerel.
I don't know.
I haven't had mackerel in a long time.
I know. It's nice that a nice added touch this year. That mackerel, man. Mom, the mackerel is delicious.
Thank you. I'm just about to get one of these Canadian grandkids to try it.
Also, you haven't even had a bite yet.
No, I'm going
So Adrian's gonna try mackerel for the first time. Adrian,
The first time I believe so.
to try it. Banana, you want banana. That is what I usually go with.
see, this is a teaching lesson, right, Mom?
Yes.
Thank you.
Want some more?
To teach people how not just to cook like a Jamaican, but how to eat like a Jamaican, right?
Yes. I think that's what most of the younger ones will do. Eat, but they ain't gonna cook.
Well, you have the website for that reason, so that we can always be carrying on the legacy of your delicious food. And the
About the grandchildren.
same thing, it's for them too,
You
no?
guys have to show them.
You have the website, you get to show them. Generations to come, they can just go on the website and see their great-great-great-grandmother make these dishes.
All my friends out there, hear my Jamaicanism, out there. Have a wonderful Easter season and all the best until I see you again. CookLikeAJamaican.com. Bye.
Bye, say bye, Freddie. Freddie! Yo!
Hi, Fred.